Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Infinix Note 12 Pro. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Infinix Note 12 Pro price in Pakistan is expected to be around 34,999 PKR. There will be a single variant of 8GB RAM and 128GB storage with Infinix Note 12 Pro. It's rumored that Infinix's upcoming mobile Infinix Note 12 Pro is expected to launch on 7 October 2022 in Pakistan. Infinix Note 12 Pro is rumored to come with multiple color options of mithril gray, haze green, and mist blue. The handset will be having amazing internal specs, screen size, camera setup, battery timing, and Infinix Note 12 Pro mobile performance. Infinix Note 12 Pro camera setup will include a 64MP triple rear camera and a 16MP selfie camera. Display of Infinix Note 12 Pro supports up to 1080x2460 pixels resolution and screen size of 6.95 inches. The performance of Infinix Note 12 Pro will be based on MediaTek G96 chipset and Mali G57 MC2 GPU. Mobile will come with a battery capacity of 5000 mAh. Infinix Note 12 Pro buy online will be available soon on OLX, Daraz, Wattmobile, and Priceoya. Infinix Note 12 Pro will also be available for sale on other renowned online mobile shops all over Pakistan. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.